A very good morning, everyone. This is the beautiful world of science and technology. In the last session, already we discussed what is meant by meteorology and what is the role of Indian Meteorological Department. So now in this session, we discuss about the pollution and what are the effects of pollution and different ways do our surrounding get polluted. And the next one concept is solid waste and categories of solid waste. तो आज के सेशन में हमें ये डिस्कशन कर लेना है पोल्यूशन बोले तो क्या, उसका हमारे एटमॉस्फेयर के ऊपर क्या इफेक्ट होता है और वो किसके कारण होता है। और नेक्स्ट वन कंसेप्ट के बारे में डिस्कशन करने वाले हैं वो है सॉलिड वेस्ट। सो व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ अ सॉलिड वेस्ट, explain with the examples and what are the categories of a solid waste. So let's start today's session with the meaning of a pollution. So what is the meaning of a pollution? So pollution is a phenomena that arises due to the contamination of the environment due to the human activities or natural causes. Due to the human activities and due to the natural causes, there are different kinds of pollution that occur in the surrounding atmosphere. For example, air pollution, water pollution are the examples of pollutions. So all these pollutions are mainly depending upon the human activities and the natural causes. So pollution is a phenomena arises due to the contamination of environment. Environment का खराब हो जाना, imbalance हो जाना due to the human activities and the natural causes. नैसर्गिक कारणों की वजह से या the excessive use of different kinds of things in our daily life. Nowadays we are using the internet. There are different kinds of disadvantages for our health. So pollution is the phenomenon. ये क्या होता है, एक प्रक्रिया है, एक phenomenon है, arises due to the contamination of the environment due to the human activities and the natural causes. Good example is air pollution, water pollution, land pollution. There are the different kinds of examples of pollution. Now see, so what are the different ways to our surrounding get polluted? So what are the different ways to our surrounding get polluted? हमारा सराउंडिंग जो एटमॉस्फेयर है वो किन कारणों की वजह से क्या होता है, खराब हो जाता है, पोल्यूटेड हो जाता है. सो व्हाट इज द रीजन बिहाइंड दिस? द एयर, वाटर एंड सॉइल आर द थ्री ecosystem are polluted due to the various reasons. Now see, so you know that our air, water and the soil, all the three ecosystems are polluted due to the various reasons. There are different kinds of the reasons behind them. Air is polluted, water is polluted, or soil is polluted due to the various reasons. So now, poisonous gases and toxic particulate matter is released into the atmosphere causes the air pollution. Now see, so how air pollution is causes? Poisonous gases and the toxic gases are released in the atmosphere from the big industries, large industries. Excessive use of bike, motorcycle, cars, buses, trucks, sudden increase in the carbon dioxide causes the air pollution in the atmosphere. So हमारे atmosphere में जो air pollution होता है वो किसकी वजह से होता है? पॉइजनस गैसेस का और टॉक्सिक गैसेस का क्या बोलो तो एटमॉस्फेयर में क्या हो जाना, रिलीज हो जाना, इसके कारणों से क्या बोलो तो एयर पोल्यूशन हो जाता है. Many toxic substances are released on land as well as in the water. This results in the contamination and the polluted of the soil and the water. Now, so many toxic substances are released in water as well as in water. So due to the transformation of toxic substances from the chemical industries, large industries, water and the land is polluted. जो बड़े बड़े कारखानों से, बड़े बड़े फैक्ट्री से जो खराब केमिकल्स क्या होते हैं उसमें क्या है, ट्रांसफर किए जाते हैं. ट्रांसफर करने की वजह से लैंड का भी पोल्यूशन होता है और क्या होता है, वाटर का ही पोल्यूशन होगा। तो दिस आर द डिफरेंट वेज टू आवर सराउंडिंग गेट पोल्यूटेड। इसके कारण आज हमारा सराउंडिंग एटमॉस्फेयर क्या होता है, खराब हो जाता है। लेसन व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ पोल्यूशन, इन विच डिफरेंट वे टू आवर सराउंडिंग गेट पोल्यूटेड। किन कारणों की वजह से या कैसे हमारा सराउंडिंग एटमॉस्फेयर क्या हो तो पोल्यूटेड हो जाता है, खराब हो जाता है। सो राइट डाउन फर्स्ट वन, व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ पोल्यूशन। पोल्यूशन इज अ फेनोमेना pollution is a phenomenon that arises due to contamination of the environment either due to human activities or due to natural causes. So pollution is a phenomena that arises due to the contamination of the environment, either due to the human activities or due to the natural causes. Environment का contamination हो जाना या human activities के कारण या कुछ नैसर्गिक कारणों की वजह से जो हमारा environment imbalance होता है, उसको हमें कहना है pollution. Now, next question. In which different way to our surrounding get polluted? हमारा जो सराउंडिंग एटमॉस्फेयर है किन कारणों की वजह से क्या हुआ तो खराब होता है, पोल्यूटेड हो जाता है। So in which different ways to our surroundings get polluted. So in which different ways do our surrounding get polluted? The air, water and soil, all the three ecosystem are polluted due to various reasons. Understand? The air, water and the soil, all the three ecosystems are polluted due to the various reasons. जो हमारी एयर है, सॉइल है, वाटर है, बहुत सारे कारणों की वजह से क्या हो तो पोल्यूटेड हो जाता है। Let's now see so poisonous gases and toxic particulate matter is releases into the atmosphere causes air pollution. Causes air pollution. Causes air pollution. Now see, many toxic substances are released on the land as well as in the water. This results in contamination and pollution of soil and water. So these are the different ways to our surrounding get polluted. So इन कामों की वजह से या इनकी वजह से हमारा सराउंडिंग एटमॉस्फेयर क्या बोलो तो पोल्यूटेड होने के क्या है चांसेस. Let's see what is the meaning of a solid waste. Now see, the next one concept for our chapter is a solid waste management need for the hour. So what is the reason behind this? आज में क्या है सॉलिड वेस्ट मैनेजमेंट की क्या है जरूरत है, इसके पीछे क्या रीजन. सो व्हाट इज द रीजन बिहाइंड दिस. नेक्स्ट वन कंसेप्ट फॉर आवर चैप्टर इज अ सॉलिड वेस्ट. Let's now see what is the meaning of a solid waste. Solid waste का क्या मीनिंग होता है ये हमें डिस्कस करना है. So what is the meaning of a solid waste? Many waste materials are generated through the waste daily human activities. This is called as the solid waste. Now see, many waste materials are released through the various daily human activities. This is called as the solid waste. There are different kinds of the materials are generated through the different kinds of human activities. So all these materials are called as the solid waste. Human के लाइफ में वो जिस तरह से अपनी एक्टिविटीज में अलग अलग प्रकार की वेस्ट को प्रोड्यूस करता है या वो रेडी कर लेता है, उसको हमें क्या कहना है तो सॉलिड वेस्ट कहना है. So number of waste material are generated through the various daily human activities. हर एक जो हमारे ह्यूमन के डेली एक्टिविटीज रहते हैं उसके माध्यम से क्या होता है अलग अलग प्रकार के क्या वेस्ट क्या होते हैं जनरेट होते हैं, उसको हमें कहना है सॉलिड वेस्ट. इट इज कॉल्ड एज द सॉलिड वेस्ट. So many waste materials are generated through the various daily human activities. Human activities. This is called solid waste. Many waste materials are generated through the various daily human activities. This is called as the solid waste. There are different kinds of the materials are generated due to the different kinds of activity in our daily life. So all these materials are called as the solid waste. Listen. Now see, what are the different things included in the solid waste? So which are the different things are included in the solid waste? सॉलिड वेस्ट में कौन से क्या होता है, डिफरेंट डिफरेंट प्रकार के क्या होता है चीजें रहती है, इसके बारे में हमें डिस्कशन करेंगे. नाउ सी, the classification of solid waste. What are the different things included in the solid waste? So what are the different things? What are the different things included in solid waste? In solid waste. Domestic waste, domestic waste, industrial waste, electronic waste, electronic waste, urban waste, radioactive waste, radioactive waste, mining waste, mining waste, EPCRB, EPCRB, things included in solid waste. Domestic waste, industrial waste, electronic waste, urban waste, radioactive waste, mining waste, etc. are the things included in the solid waste. Solid waste में कौन से वेस्ट आ जाते हैं, तो बहुत सारे ऐसे डोमेस्टिक वेस्ट हैं. Now the example of domestic waste is waste food, paper, plastic bag, vegetable waste, fruit waste, glass and sheet metal, etc. are the domestic waste. Now see, so after this we write the example of each waste. Listen now, industrial waste, chemical, pigment, sludge, ash, metal, etc. are the example of the industrial waste. Hazard waste, chemicals generated in various industries, radioactive materials, explosive, inflammatory material, etc. These are different kinds of the waste. Listen, बहुत सारे ऐसे क्या होते हैं वेस्ट के क्या है, उसके अलग अलग क्या है प्रकार. Listen. Now see the next one. Categories of waste अब हम डिस्कशन कर लेंगे. What are the categories of waste? Now see. Next one question for chapter is what are the categories of waste? There are two kinds of categories of waste. One is biodegradable and next one is non-biodegradable waste. There are two categories of waste. One is biodegradable and next one is non-biodegradable waste. Understand? Now see, two categories of waste. Two categories of waste. So first one is biodegradable waste. Biodegradable waste. Number two, non-biodegradable waste. non-biodegradable waste. Listen, there are two categories of waste. One is biodegradable waste and next one is non-biodegradable waste. वेस्ट दो प्रकार के होते हैं, एक है बायोडिग्रेडेबल और नेक्स्ट है नॉन बायोडिग्रेडेबल वेस्ट। नाउ सी वन बाय वन विथ एग्जांपल। अब हम क्या है एक को क्या हो तो एग्जांपल के साथ क्या करते हैं एक्सप्लेन कर लेते हैं। नाउ सी दिस टाइप ऑफ वेस्ट इज इजीली डिग्रेडेबल बाय माइक्रोस। इट मेनली includes kitchen waste, spoiled foods, vegetable ash, soil, dung parts of the plants. This waste is mainly of organic type and is called as the wet solid waste or wet garbage. Now, so this type of waste is easily degradable by microbes. So you know that what is the meaning of a microbes? There are different kinds of the microbes are present in the surrounding atmosphere. Listen, those wastes are easily decomposed and degradable with the help of a microorganism. Such waste is called as a biodegradable waste. So for example is our kitchen waste, our soil, dung, parts of the plants. This waste is mainly of a organic type. Biodegradable waste is a organic type and is also called as the wet solid waste. इसको क्या कहा जाता है तो wet solid waste or the garbage meat. If it is carefully decomposed, we can get compost and fuel for a good quality from it. Now see, if it is carefully decomposed, we get the good quality of a compost and the good quality of a fuel from the biodegradable waste. अगर इस biodegradable waste को हम केयरफुली क्या करते हैं डिग्रेडेबल करते हैं, डिकम्पोज करते हैं, करने के बाद उससे हमें क्या होता है अच्छा का है कंपोस्ट मिल सकता है और अच्छी क्वालिटी का क्या होता है फ्यूल हमें मिल सकता है। Such biofuel projects have been started in many cities also. So nowadays, there are number of biofuel projects are started in the number of cities in whole world. आज पूरी दुनिया में बड़े बड़े शहरों में क्या हो तो बायोफ्यूल्स क्या हो चुके हैं स्टार्ट हो चुके हैं। Understand what is the meaning of biodegradable waste? This type of waste is easily degradable or decomposed by the microorganism that is present in the atmosphere. For example, our kitchen waste or food waste, vegetable waste, parts of the plants, soil, dung are the good example of a biodegradable. So all these examples are easily decomposed or degradable by the microbes. Understand? If it is completely, अगर उसको हम कंप्लीटली डिकम्पोज करते हैं या केयरफुली डिकम्पोज करते हैं, वो कैन गेट गुड कंपोस्ट, गुड क्वालिटी ऑफ फूड। इसको अगर हम प्रॉपरली अगर डिकम्पोज करते हैं, इसको अगर डिग्रेडेबल करते हैं तो हमें एक अच्छी क्वालिटी का क्या हो तो कंपोस्ट मिल सकता है और क्या हो तो गुड क्वालिटी का फूड भी हमें क्या है मिल सकता है। अंडरस्टैंड? एंड इट इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड एज द वेट सॉलिड वेस्ट एंड द वेट गार्बेज। इसको क्या कहा जाता है बोलो तो वेस्ट सॉलिड वेस्ट और वेट गार्बेज में कहा जाता है। एंड दिस टाइप ऑफ वेस्ट इज मेनली ऑफ ऑर्गेनिक टाइप। ये क्या रहेगा ऑर्गेनिक टाइप रहेगा। इट इज वेरी यूजफुल फॉर फार्म। हमारी खेती के लिए इससे जो बनने वाला जो कंपोस्ट रहेगा इट इज वेरी यूजफुल फॉर आवर क्रॉप प्रोडक्ट्स। लिसन स्टूडेंट, व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ बायोडिग्रेडेबल वेस्ट? First one is biodegradable waste. Biodegradable waste. Biodegradable waste. This type of waste is easily degraded by microbes. It mainly This waste is mainly of organic types, mainly of organic types, and is also called and is also called wet solid waste or wet garbage or wet garbage. Now see, if it is carefully decomposed, if it is carefully decomposed, we can get compost with compost and feed of good quality. From it. So, are the examples of biowaste. Examples: kitchen waste, ash, soil, dung, parts of plants. So these are the examples of biodegradable waste. Understand? Now the next one category of waste is a non-biodegradable waste. This type of waste is not easily degraded because it requires a very long period of time and the use of various techniques. Now see, this types of waste is not easily degradable by the microbes. It requires a very long period of time and the use of various kind of techniques. Non-biodegradable waste is not easily degraded by the microbes because it's require a very long period of time and the different kinds of the techniques. अगर नॉन बायो को अगर हमें डिकम्पोज करना है, डिग्रेड करना है, तो उसको क्या होता है, बहुत टाइम लगेगा और उसमें क्या होता है, बहुत सारे टेक्निक्स को क्या करना पड़ता है, यूज कर लेना पड़ता है. It includes plastic, metal and other similar materials. So what are the examples of non-biodegradable waste? One is a plastic, next one is the metal and the other similar material. This type of waste is called the dry solid waste or dry garbage. So non-biodegradable waste is also called the dry solid waste or the dry garbage. तो क्या होता है, dry solid waste कहा जाता है या dry garbage का उसको कहा जाता है. ज़्यादा नाउ नेक्स्ट वन non-biodegradable waste. Non-biodegradable waste. Next one. Non-biodegradable waste. This type of a waste is not easily degradable because it requires a very long period of time and the different kinds of the techniques. And next one, it includes plastic, metals and the other similar materials. This type of waste is called as the dry solid waste or the dry garbage. क्या कहा जाता है, तो dry waste और क्या बोलते, dry garbage इनको क्या है कहा जाता है. Okay, we'll stop here. We'll be continuing on the next session. So in this session already we discussed what is pollution and what are the different ways to do our surrounding get polluted, and what is the meaning of a solid waste and the categories of a solid waste. Okay, we'll stop here. We will continue on the next session. Stay safe, stay indoors from Universal Public School, Aura, Sachin.